If you want to know how to make powerful protein treatment for massive hair growth, this video is the right video for you. On today's video, I will take you step by step on how to prepare this protein treatment for massive hair growth, length retention, moisturize your hair, and also repair your damaged hair, and also grow your hair super fast, longer and healthy. To prepare this powerful hair protein treatment, first thing is to bring my blender. My first ingredient is avocado. So I'm using avocado that ripe very well, okay? And this is the size of avocado I'm making use of. So by the size of avocado you make use of, it depends on the length and volume of your hair. If your hair is longer than mine, you can use 2 avocado, okay? So I just need to cut my avocado into equal half, and I will use this spoon now to scoop out the avocado and transfer it into my blender. Avocado is a natural moisturizer that helps prevent hair loss and promotes longer, healthy hair. It helps to strengthen hair. It also acts as natural sunscreen for hair to help protect hair in the sun, and also help to reduce frizziness and promote longer, healthy hair. So I'll scoop out my avocado and put it into the blender. My next ingredient is egg. I'm making use of 2 eggs. I'll crack it and pour it inside my blender. The protein in egg helps rebuild keratin in hair cell, make hair stronger and less brittle to breakage. It contains vitamin A, E, and D in egg yolk, nourish the scalp and support hair growth. Egg contains nutrients that can help hydrate and moisturize hair, reduce frizz. It also helps keep hair thicker and healthier, and there is so many other benefits of using egg on your hair. My next ingredient is aloe vera. So this, I'm using fresh aloe vera. I have only little aloe vera. Please, if you have larger aloe vera, please feel free to make use of it, okay? So this is the amount of aloe vera I'm making use of. I already cut it in a small sizable and allow it to soak for almost 1 hour. Make sure that your aloe vera soak almost 1 hour or 40 minutes so that to remove those yellow itchiness in your scalp, okay? Do not skip this part. Do not just start cutting your aloe vera and start applying it on your hair. Soak it in water 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 2 hours, so that it can remove those yellow liquid things. It's very necessary, okay? Aloe vera help repair dead skin cell on the scalp. It also acts as great conditioner and leave your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes healthy hair growth, prevent itching on the scalp, reduce dandruff and condition your hair. Yes, it prevents itchiness, but if you not allow those yellow liquid out of the aloe vera, it will itch your scalp. The aloe vera will not do the work of stopping itchiness on your hair. So try to soak your aloe vera very well before you can start using it on your hair, okay? So what we need is the aloe vera gel, okay? After scoping out my aloe vera gel, next thing I bring my oils, okay? I make use of 4 different type of oil. Use any of your hair growth oil, but in total I add 4 tablespoons of the oil, which means each oil I add 1 tablespoon of each oil into the blender. So, and also I'll add my honey. Make sure you add honey in this protein treatment for you to get the best result, and also because honey have its own good results in our hair. Honey help moisturize your hair very well, okay? So I will go off camera to blend them. After mixing them together, I went off camera to blend it. After blending it, this is what I have so far. My protein treatment is ready and my blender did a good job. This protein treatment is so smooth. It blended very smooth. So after transferring it into the bowl, this is what I have so far. So creamy and so smooth. So this is how my hair is, okay? How to apply this protein treatment treatment on your hair is to use it on a fresh wash hair. This is a protein treatment, is a deep condition, okay? You don't need to apply this on a dirty hair. Please make sure that your hair is fresh wash and super clean before you can use this protein treatment on your hair to get the best results, okay? And also try to work in session. Working in session will help you for less breakage, and also it will help you to make sure that you apply the product very well all over your hair, okay? So you can use this protein treatment once in a month, okay? It's a protein treatment, like as the name said, protein treatment. Don't use this every day on your hair or every of your wash day. No, use this protein treatment once in a month. I guarantee you length retention. I guarantee you longer healthy hair. This protein treatment, you don't need to do too much for you to have that your healthy hair growth, okay? You don't need to do too much to have healthy hair. I believe this ingredient that we use to prepare this protein treatment is easy to find, okay? They are very easy to find. So please use it as your protein treatment. This will help to strengthen your hair. It will help you repair your damaged hair. It will help to grow your hair longer, healthy, fuller. It will help to stop hair breakage and hair fall if you be consistent, okay? Do not just apply it only once 1 month and you expect the result to happen magic. No, being consistent. Use this in every month. In 3 months time, meaning 3 times application, you'll see how your hair will start feeling. But for if your hair is always coarse, your hair is very hard for you to manage, once application, after applying it on your hair, rinsing it out, you see how your hair will feel. You feel the softness and the strength, okay? This protein treatment is a must try. It has helped me a lot in growing my hair. It has helped me a lot reducing breakage, and also helped me to strengthen my hair, okay? So you don't need to do too much for you to have that healthy, longer looking hair, okay? Things around you will help you to achieve that, okay? So apply this all over your hair, both on the scalp and the strands of your hair, and make sure that you massage your scalp. After applying it, give yourself a little gentle scalp massage. Cover the hair up and allow it to try some heat, like 1 hour to 2 hours. Please do not allow this to heat less than 1 hour. Just 1 hour, so that you can get the good benefits. I know why I always say this in my DIY deep conditions, because they are DIY. They are not store bottle products. DIYs, more longer you leave it, the better results you got. If you have not been leaving your deep condition longer on your hair, believe me, once you start leaving your deep condition longer time on your hair, you will see more results. You see how your hair will change. You see how your hair will feel whenever I rinse it out. Believe me, try to learn how to leave your deep condition longer on your hair. Do not always be in a hurry to rinse it out, okay? So that you can get the best results. So in this protein treatment, you need to leave it at least 1 hour. You can now rinse it out, and rinsing it out, just rinse it out with a clean fresh water. Don't use shampoo. Do not use shampoo. Use your clean water to rinse it out. After rinsing it out, it can condition your hair, okay? You can use your rinse out condition and condition your hair. After then, moisturize your hair. You are good to go, okay? So this protein treatment, use this, like as I said before, once in a month. Please don't use it twice in a month. Use it once in a month, okay, to get best results. And also, too much of everything is too bad. This is a protein treatment, okay? Don't use too much, so that it will not turn to another thing for you, okay? So that the result will not turn to disaster for you, okay? Or you have protein overload. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and join this beautiful family. Believe me, you are not going to regret it, okay? In this channel, I'll teach how to grow your hair longer, fuller, and healthier without to breaking the bank, without to spending too much money, and have that healthy hair, okay? So please subscribe and you'll be loving it here, okay? And turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload amazing videos like this, okay? And help me to like this video. It really encourages me to push out more good content out there. It helps the growth of the channel, okay? Thank you so much. And share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news of this hair protein treatment, okay, to grow their hair healthy longer. So if you want longer healthy hair growth, you don't need to joke with protein treatment. Protein treatment will help to strengthen your hair. Protein treatment will help you for length retention. Protein treatment will help to give your hair more strength, okay, and help you not to breaking your hair excessively if used correctly, okay. If used correctly, I mean, don't use it frequent, okay, don't use it every time. Just use your protein treatment once in a month, okay, and you're good to go. Whether you have low porosity or high porosity, once in a month you are good to go, okay. Don't use it more than that, okay. So this is how my hair is looking so far, and I'm making sure that I apply all the deep condition on my hair. Make sure that I apply all this protein treatment on my hair, okay. So after applying it on my hair, this is how my hair look like. My hair looks so lovely and so healthy. So please do not forget to massage your scalp. Like as I said earlier, once you apply this on your hair, please massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp will help the product to penetrate very well into your scalp, okay, and do in work it's supposed to do. After massaging my scalp, I'll cover up my hair with my cellophane nylon, okay. So I will leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll go and rinse it out. So I will not be showing you when I rinse it out. Just I use my clean water, okay, to rinse it out. I follow up with my conditioner and I'm good to go, okay. So I hope you enjoy watching this video the same way I enjoy filming this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, okay. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.